Hi guys, my name is Srishti. I lead product for facial skincare. So I have a few tips and tricks for you to understand and use a retinol product. First and foremost, very important, retinol is highly photosensitive. So ensure that you store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. So secondly, I would recommend you to ensure that you use this product at night and ensure that next morning you are using a strong effective SPF. Thirdly, I would recommend you to do a patch test for sure before using any kind of active-based products to see if it's compatible and suitable to your skin type. When to start using this retinol as an ingredient, ensure that you sort of incorporate this in your mid-20s to early 30s to ensure that you're delaying signs of aging. And last but not the least, how to apply retinol. There are multiple ways. One is direct application, but the gentler way of incorporating this ingredient is to use sandwich method. Apply a layer of moisturizer, then once it dries up, use a retinol product, and once that also dries up, you can sort of top it off with a moisturizer and that should be okay.